Today we're going to take a look at this little thing. This is the handheld multi-surface cleaner from Hizero. It's a small handheld machine, but it does a lot of remarkable things. Let's find out more and make sure you stick to the end of the video, as Hizero is giving away one H100 for free to one lucky winner. So make sure you stick to the end to see how you can enter that giveaway. Before we start, this is a sponsored overview by Hizero, so thanks to Hizero for sponsoring this video. However, I will be sharing my own objective thoughts and opinion of the H100. I recently reviewed Hizero's F600, which is their hard floor cleaner, and it looks similar to wet and dry vacuums, but there is no vacuum, so it employs a different way of cleaning your floors. It has a multi-roller that's continuously fed with clean water. It's cleaning your hardwood floors, but then there is no vacuum, so there's no suction, but it's simply depositing all the used water into a wastewater tank. The H100 is a miniature version of that. They actually transformed that same technology into a miniature handheld battery-operated version that is meant to clean your flat surfaces, and it can clean anything from mirrors to tabletops to windshields to windows and even your tiles. And what I absolutely love about this is that it can work in both a vertical and horizontal way. Over here, there's their water tank. It's a 2-in-1 water tank. You can fill over here the clean water tank. It has a capacity of 100 milliliters. And this over here is the dirty water tank. So when you're cleaning your surfaces, this high absorbency multi-roller is going to be constantly being fed with water from the clean water tank. And as you clean your surfaces, it's going to extract the dirty water and deposit it over here in the dirty water tank. And we'll see it in action in just a bit. The advantage, of course, is that you're always cleaning with fresh water, so the fresh and dirty water don't mix. But also the advantage over the traditional methods of using a cloth or a squeegee is that this is going to be extracting all the excess water, leaving your surfaces much less wet, which means they're going to dry much faster. What's really interesting about their design, and I think it's really well thought through, first thing is that there's a small little wheel over here, which is a very nice touch, because when you place this on a surface, whether it's a window or even a table, this wheel is going to help you glide the machine much easier because there's much less friction. But more so, the rotating roller itself is going to help propel the machine forward. And actually, as you can see, if I put it on a tabletop, and even without touching the machine, it's going to move forward by itself, which really facilitates using it on surfaces, as there's some sort of self-propulsion pushing the machine forward, requiring less effort from you to push it forward. The other interesting bit is this squeegee over here, which is flexible and pivots, as you can see. And the way you work this, on the forward motion, the roller is cleaning with fresh water. And then on the backward motion, you tilt this slightly. The squeegee is going to lift up, and it's going to ensure you extract the most water from your surfaces, leaving them with very minimal water. And as you can see, I push forward with the machine perfectly parallel to the surface. It's very easy to push forward. And then once I get to the end, I tilt the machine, I lift it up a bit so that that squeegee can extract all of the remaining water. And here I was very surprised to see, despite me regularly cleaning my table, and the table looking essentially clean to the naked eye, this is all the dirty water that was extracted from it. So while I thought it was clean and it did look clean, it actually wasn't that clean, and the H100 was able to extract all that dirty water from that coffee table. And not only is the H100 able to clean your surfaces, but if you have any spills, you can use it to clean those, which is much easier and much better than using a ton of paper towel, for example, to clean spills. And here you can see me demonstrating how it works with coffee. As you can see in the forward motion, the roller is absorbing that coffee, it's depositing it back into the dirty water tank. And in the backward motion, the squeegee is going to make sure there is almost no liquid remaining on your surface. And again, this is where you see all the dirty water and all that coffee that was extracted over here, with the fresh water tank right below it, always supplying the machine with fresh, clean water. The last nice thing I want to tell you about that the Hizero has is an optional extension pole, which was quite interesting. It's a 1.5 meter extension pole that is sold separately, but if you have very high windows or skylights, for example, this is going to let you easily clean them. And when I first saw the extension pole, I thought it's going to be difficult to maneuver and manage the H100, at that height, but I was surprised to see it is easier than I thought, especially with the self-propulsion and the assistance from the rotating roller. It wasn't that difficult to use it, even extend it to its full length. As you can see here, pushing forward and then in the backward motion, tilting the machine so the squeegee gets everything. The extension pole is made from 3 separate parts. All 3 together give you about 1.5 meter of length, but you don't have to use all 3. You can use only 2 if you have high but not that high surfaces. It will make it a bit more manageable with the shorter length. The head where you attach the pole to the machine also pivots, so you can angle it in whichever way works for you or for the surface that you are cleaning, which is a very nice touch. So that's it for me. Before wrapping up, the giveaway. So as I said, Hizero is going to be giving away one H100 for free for one lucky winner. I'll put the details of the giveaway in the description, so make sure you read those. But essentially, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in the comment section telling us what is the most challenging surface that you have to clean and how you think the H100 from Hizero could help you clean it more easily. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment to enter the giveaway. And until next time, cheers.